I'm going to show you how you can do these stars using a nail art gel and also a black gel polish. You will need a black or any color of nail art gel. What I usually do is have a little palette. I'm going to take just a tiny little bit, pop that on there. It'll probably take a little bit more, to be honest. Pop that on there. I basically get better consistency when I add a base coat. So I'm going to add a base coat as well on this. Just a tad bit. Mix this all up. You see, it's like not too thick and not too thin. There is your consistency that you're going to use. Using a thin liner brush, just wipe that off, make sure it's clean like that. And what I'm going to do is drive it through the mix that you just made. I basically place my fingers like this. We are going to do a line that way. And then I'm going to do a line that way. And I think I need more because I can feel like the star is going to be a little bit larger than I wanted, like that. And then I will go down, so it's like you're creating an A. Like that. Okay, and then you are going to connect the dots. So you go to the opposite side of the A and to the opposite side. You see how smooth that is? So you can do that and then just fill it all in with the consistency you just made. Like so. If you do get a smudge or you feel like this star is not in alignment, which I feel like this is okay, but if you do want to be picture perfect, I will show you how you can fix a smudge on the other finger. Okay, so as you can see here, it's not as I wanted. And you see there, I just go through it again and again until I get the right lines. And be quite gentle when you do strokes. Turn your finger around. Like so. And that is your star. So if you find yourself in a situation where you actually don't have a nail art gel, you can always use the black gel polish, and I will show you how you can do nails with that. So let's start with a bigger star. This is focused. So let's start with the same thing, but as you can see with a normal gel polish, it comes across more thicker just because it's more watery, and that's okay. It kind of may work to your advantage. So I'd advise for you to be very, very, let's say gentle when you are doing this star. Okay, so we start with the A, and then you join up the edges. Again, like I said, you see how thick that is? There we go. Guys, honestly, I am making these mistakes because I want to show you how you can fix this. Okay, that wasn't a mistake. But this is what normal gel polish does. And you see, you can fill it in a lot more better. So that's why I said it could work to your advantage if you're just trying to do any odd star. And you see how it drags as well. You see that? So if you want to fix this, use a brush, I'd say a brush like this, and pop some acetone on it. Pop some acetone on it, and then you can easily like wipe the whole thing, right? Wipe the whole leg basically with acetone, that is. And then you just go back again and pretend it's just like joining the lines again. That's usually how I would fix a smudge, just like take out a leg from the star. This is the one with normal gel polish, and this is the one with gel or nail polish, which is a more thicker consistency. This is more a runny consistency. They both work well. But yeah, so I personally feel like with gel polish, you may just need to go a little bit of back and forth with acetone and just wipe it off with the smudges and stuff, and just like refine your line if you are a perfectionist. But I also think they both work well. And that is it.